Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. A while back I did a post on a new function available in Office 365 called Unique, but I didn't go into much detail on the second and third arguments, so I thought I'd revisit that today and show you how those are useful when you're using the Unique function. I'll put a link to the original post below, but let's see how Unique works in Excel. So here I have a list of names, and it's a table, and the table is called people. And I highlighted those that are duplicates. You can see Tom is in it 3 times, Jill twice, Bill twice, and Mike is in it 3 times. So what the unique function would do is to give me just a list of the unique names. So I could do something like equals unique, and the table name is people, so I can just enter the table name, close my parentheses, hit enter. Notice it gave me a list of all the unique names and it eliminated the duplicates of Tom, Jill, Mike, and Bill. But there's another argument in the unique function. So if I type equals unique, you'll see we have the array by column and exactly once. So my array again is going to be people. I'm going to skip the by column right now and return items that appear exactly once. I'll say true, close my parentheses, hit enter, and notice it gives me a unique list but excludes Tom, Jill, Mike, and Bill because those appeared multiple times. So the ones that are left are the ones that only appeared once in the list. So that's what exactly once argument does with the unique function. Now that could also work with a table here or multiple columns. In this case, my table name is city. So I'm going to say equals unique, city is my array, and if I close my parentheses, notice it will give me a unique list, but items that are unique in both name and city. So for example, Tom is in here with Detroit, but Tom is also in here with Cleveland. So it will include both Tom Detroit and Tom Cleveland, whereas Jill and Cleveland is an exact duplicate, so it eliminated that from the list. One trick I did learn is notice with the unique function and other functions like filter, etc., it does not bring the headers over. But one easy way to bring the headers over without just copying them and pasting them, especially if you have 8 or 9 or 10 or 12 columns, is to type equals, in this case my table name is city, and I'll put in a square bracket, and then notice I have a few options here. I'll choose header, hit tab, close my square bracket, and hit enter, and now it brought those in. It did not bring the formatting in, but it did spill the headers in. Notice there is a blue bracket around the headings for the table, just as there's a bracket around the results of the unique function as that spilled down also. Now, as I mentioned a minute ago, the unique function has a second argument by column. So let me show you how that works. If I type equals unique, in this case my array, I'm going to select this range here. And if I just close my parentheses and hit enter, it gives me the full list. Even though there are duplicates, it's looking more in the rows than in the columns. But if instead I edited this, say comma, and selected true so it returns unique columns, hit enter, now it has removed the duplicates from what I had in this row here because it's looking in each column for duplicates and only returning those that are unique. So that is how you use the unique function in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at my website, excel-bytes.com, or at any of the social networks noted below. Thanks a lot, have a great day, and happy excelling.